hi there, welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be a relatively short episode. This is the front cover of the BMW R100S. As you can see over there, it's kind of missing, well, the front tire and its front cover. And so we're going to attempt to try to clean this up using walnut shells on my $120 Amazon blasting cabinet. So the media I got from Harbor Freight. So I'm a little curious to see how it's going to work. I was trying to clean the engine and I've done a little bit of an okay job just with some aluminum polish and a Scotch-Brite. It looks okay, not 100%, but I am a little curious to see as to how this media here is going to work. So this is kind of a very fine, soft abrasive, so hopefully it should not really damage anything. So anyhow, we will put it in the cabinet and give it a bit of a blast. There's really not going to be a whole lot to see on this, unfortunately, because once you start getting going, it's kind of loud and it's kind of murky. So I do have my shop vac hooked up to it, just to kind of try to eliminate some of the dust. So we'll see how it goes. So good. Well, let's get the piece in the blast cabinet. We'll put it down in here and then we'll get going. Awesome. Okay, let's check it out real quick. Nothing too exciting, that's for sure. So I'm going to put a block underneath it just so we can concentrate on the one side and I don't have to hold it. That is part of the challenge using this thing. Is A, it's hard to see, and B, once I put the vacuum cleaner on, these gloves just suck inside. So let's check it out real quick and see how it works. Turn the air compressor on again and we'll turn on the vacuum cleaner. Okay, so for the big reveal, which I don't think it's going to be that great, because I've already looked at it a couple times. Here we have it. So it definitely cleaned it up a little bit, but it's not super nice and shiny. And it's definitely going to need some additional work. So anyway, it was maybe a little wishful thinking on my behalf, but sometimes you try something and it works okay, and sometimes it just works okay. So we'll see. Anyway, we'll attack this with a little bit of a aluminum polish and maybe a green scrubbing pad and see what it does. Awesome. So after a lot of elbow grease, this is kind of how it turned out. Looks good from far, but I'm not sure it's far from good, as a friend of mine used to say. But it definitely looks a lot better than it was before. I had some of this Ultimate Star-Brite aluminum polish laying around the house. So I pretty much used it. It took a fair amount of the yuck off, but there's still definitely some oxide in there. I tried using a drill with a wheel on it. It did not really work so hot. What I managed to do was disintegrate the wheel. So, and I also tried wiping it down after it was done as a little carb cleaner. That kind of took some of the dirt off, but that was about it. So, but yeah, I think that's as far as I'm going to take it at this point in time. If I get super gung-ho in the future, I may decide to get a little bit more carried away, but at this point in time, it's good enough. Let's get the bike running and then we'll see how it goes. Awesome. Well, hey, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care. Bye-bye.
If you like this video, hit subscribe and give us a big like down below. Thanks for watching.